All right. I think this is on. Hey guys, this is Devin. Hey, want to talk to you real quick. I'm getting ready to head out the door. I've got a quick job I got to go take care of. But I want to talk to you real quick about what's called the shiny ball syndrome that happens to people online, right? What is this shiny ball syndrome? Just like anything, with squirrels, you know how squirrels are? They see a nut over there. They see a nut over here. They see a bigger nut over here. They're chasing nuts all over the place because they think the other nut is bigger and they gotta have it. It tastes better, it's shinier, it's bigger, it has more meat inside of it. That's exactly what happens to a lot of online marketers. Yeah, so they get started in BPS, big profit system, right? They're sitting there, they're plugging away. Oh, I spent $225 on an SMS campaign and nothing happened. In 30 days, I'm out of here. I'm going to go jump onto something else. Really? Come on. Stick with it. Over and over and over and over. Every single day, week, month, whatever you do. If you want to spend 5 minutes a day, 5 minutes a week, 5 minutes a month, do what you got to do, all right? But stay consistent. Keep those wheels turning. Keep it consistent, right? You don't have to sit there 24 hours a day monitoring your system. There's nothing to monitor. Everything's done for you. You go to the done for you traffic, you place an order, send it off, the leads start coming in, you let your autoresponder start nailing them. Boom, 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 sending out message here. Boom. Another day. Boom. Another one goes out. Boom, boom, boom. And the ones that want your information will stick. The others will opt out. They'll go on down the road. All right. They're not serious anyway. The people, don't worry about the people who aren't buying. Worry about the people that you need to connect with, build a relationship with, and those are the ones that are going to sit there and join you in business, right? So don't get all caught up with the shiny ball syndrome. It happens so much. I have seen it over my last 10 years. Hey, this one over here is better than the big profit system. Why? Because look at its back office. It has something that's really cool that that one doesn't have. And everybody's like, oh no, I need to go over there. Guys, stick with what you got. Keep plugging away. It's a business. It's a business. Remember that. It's a business. You keep working at it. You keep working at it. You keep working at it. Guys, I had a sub shop for 7 years. If I would have shut the doors down within the first month because people didn't come in, we didn't make a profit, that'd have been so stupid. We stuck with it over and over and over and over. We kept showing up every single day. We kept making the sandwiches. We kept opening the doors, turning the lights on, close the doors. We stayed there and we did it. Same thing with this business. You don't have to spend $100, $200, $300, $400. You don't have to spend $1 million to get started. All it is, $1,280. Get started on level 1. All right. You spend $225 on your first SMS campaign, another $225 on your second one. So within $1,780, you are in it with the potential of an unlimited income. All right. Now, results do vary. There's no promises that you will make any money, just like there's no promises that if you go out and spend $400,000, $500,000 that you're going to make a profit. There's no promises. All right, guys? So let's do this. Let's get rid of the shiny ball syndrome. Let's just get rid of it. Stick with what you got. Quit jumping from program to program, because that's how you lose money. All right? Stick with one. Stay at it. Rock on. All right, guys? To your success, I'm Devin. I'm out of here. I got something I got to go do. We'll see you. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me anytime. If you're just seeing this video for the first time, go ahead and there's going to be a link down below. Opt in to yourdoor.com. Opt into my list. Get more information exactly what I'm talking about, the big profit system, and let the emails start showing you proof and explain the back office. I've got some tips in there as far as marketing, how to get started fast. Guys, check it out. I'm out of here. We'll see you. Bye.